Greetings from the next journey. Introducing the Mahindra Motorhome 2026, a car built for endless exploration. Because to its sturdy structure and long-lasting exterior, this RV can withstand any terrain. Modern design elements like a new multi-slat grille and sophisticated circular LED headlamps enhance its classic, expressive appearance. A range of engines, including diesel, gasoline hybrid, and even all-electric models, are housed beneath this robust bodywork. A versatile chassis supports all of these engine options, offering the ideal mix of powerful performance and fuel efficiency. You will immediately notice that the cabin seems far more opulent than its predecessor. With a modern digital instrument panel that offers all the necessary information, the dashboard has undergone a full revamp. A contemporary infotainment system with wireless connectivity is incorporated with a sizable touchscreen that acts as the dashboard's control center. The driver may enjoy a more comfortable and pleasant atmosphere thanks to the improved materials and more ergonomic dashboard design. You'll notice how thoughtful and practical the decor is as soon as you enter. Flexibility is given first priority in the design of the sleeping and sitting sections. For optimal comfort, the seats are upholstered in high-end textiles or even imitation leather. With storage beneath, the back part may be transformed into a cozy sleeping area for two people. An open, light-filled room with more windows and ambient lighting makes you feel completely at home. This RV has a small but adequate bathroom. Among its practical features are a shower with an intelligent water system, a fold-down sink, and a portable cassette toilet. It has all the conveniences you need to travel in comfort and hygiene without compromising useful living space, despite its compact size. This RV's kitchen is made to be practical. Simple meals may be prepared with the help of a small, integrated kitchen module. An energy-efficient mini-fridge, a tiny sink, and a stove with 1 or 2 burners are all included. Every inch of space is maximized with clever storage and concealed drawers.